Welcome back to Soul Society. Here, we explore simple, natural, and powerful ways to support your well-being. Today, we are talking about a very common problem that affects millions of people every year: cold sores, also called fever blisters. Cold sore, also called fever blister, is a lip infection that affects millions of people every year. This painful outbreak usually occurs when you are tired, stressed, or after prolonged sun exposure. As soon as you feel the blister coming on your lip, immediately apply an ice pack to the affected area. The cold will reduce the pain and the size of the blister. For optimal effectiveness, repeat the process several times a day. Honey is a gentle and natural remedy. 3 times a day, dab your cold sore with a bit of honey and let it sit for about 15 minutes before gently rinsing. Lemon is a perfect natural antiseptic to get rid of cold sores. Squeeze the juice of a lemon and dip a cotton ball in it before pressing it against your sore. This traditional remedy should be applied several times a day. Place 1 drop of tea tree essential oil on a cotton swab and dab it onto the cold sore 2 or 3 times a day, until the blister is nothing more than a bad memory. Wash your hands carefully before touching your lips. Never pop your blister, as it could get infected. Do not pick the scab that forms on top, as it protects the healing process. If your blister itches, gently rub a garlic clove or a piece of onion on the sore. A good old grandmother's trick is sometimes enough to make the cold sore disappear in no time, while soothing the pain. Baking soda will dry out the blister and stop it from growing. In a bowl, mix baking soda with water until you get a pasty consistency. Take a small amount of this mixture and apply it directly to the cold sore. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse. Repeat the application twice a day if necessary, until the blister disappears. Cold sores are caused by the herpes simplex virus, HSV1. These remedies can help soothe and shorten outbreaks, but they do not cure the virus. Avoid close contact such as kissing or sharing utensils while you have an active sore. The virus is contagious. Essential oils, like tea tree and lemon juice, can irritate sensitive skin. Always do a patch test before applying. If you suffer from frequent outbreaks or if sores do not heal within 10 to 14 days, consult a healthcare professional. These simple remedies can make a big difference in your healing journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Society for more natural health tips and holistic wisdom.